Hi friends, let's talk about perimeter of a circle. Perimeter of a circle is called circumference. Circumference, okay? Circumference is a perimeter of a circle or ellipsis. Still the same idea of perimeter of aiding the outer sides or boundaries, but for a circle, we are being specific. We just give it a name. It's a circumference, okay? How do we get the perimeter of a circle? We use a very nice looking formula. I like it. 2 pi r. Since I said we call this circumference, I'll also use c there. That is circumference, okay? But remember, circumference and perimeter are exactly the same thing. Equals to 2 pi r is the radius of a circle. What is radius? Radius is the length or distance from the center of a circle to the circumference. Or circumference, we're talking about the edge. All right? So if I start here, go around the circle and come back to the same point, the edge of a circle, that's a circumference. So if I come back to the same point around the circle, I've completed the circle. That's a circumference. That total distance, that will be the circumference, the perimeter. Great. So from the center to the circumference, that is the radius. It doesn't matter the direction you take. You can go that way. As long as you move from center to the circumference, that's radius. That's radius. All right? And it's going to be the same in length. It's 4, 4, 4 throughout. Beautiful. That is our r. So we will go and say 2 pi r. You can go ahead and punch this into the calculator directly, like 2 pi. We do have a pi in the modern calculators, but if you don't have, pi can be written as 3.14. It's equivalent to that. Okay, we can round it off to that. And then now punch this into the calculator, and you'll get the answer of, let me see, 25.13 meters. And that is the perimeter of a circle, or the circumference. That's how you get it. Again, if I was to start at this point, A now, go around the circle, go around, and come back to the same point A. That means that length will be 25.13 meters. That is the circumference or the perimeter. Thank you very much, guys. If you have any comment, suggestions, additions, feel free to comment, and we're going to interact accordingly. Just keep it simple and respectful, okay? Thank you. I will see you in the next lesson. I can say.